we thought it might be helpful to show you the way to move through the parking lot when you're dropping off and picking up your children from preschool at Creative Beginnings. When you're on Old Toll, you don't want to enter through the main entrance of the church, but come to the entrance for the street called Aldersgate Street that's right next to the entrance. Then we'll turn left into the parking lot. And we want to stay to the outside of the parking lot. There are a lot of times when there are many cars for activities, with people coming and going at the church. So we're going to go to the outside. And on the far side is where we'll find the drive that pulls around to the back. This drive is one way, so you don't have to worry about anyone coming your way. And as you approach the back, you'll decide whether you should get in the inside lane or the outside lane based on the age of the class your child's in. If your child's in the 2s or the 5s class, you'll want to be on the outside lane. And if your child is in the 3s or the 4s class, you'll want to be on the inside lane. So let's keep going. So right now I am in the lane for the 2s and 5s, so I'm going to pull to the outside lane. If you had a child in the 3s or 4s class, you'd pull to the inside of the orange cones, and you actually want to pass the door. The first car to stop in our line should stop here next to the cone on the right hand side. And if you're in the outside lane, you'll do the same thing. You'll pass the door a little bit and stop your car at that first cone. Then the staff and I will come out and we'll welcome your children in the morning, and in the end of the day we'll bring them back out to you. So now that I'm in my spot for drop off or pickup, I want to make sure that I put my mask on. Remember, any adult or child over preschool age needs to have a mask on. But our preschoolers are not required to have a mask. So I'm ready with my mask. At pickup time in the afternoon, you'll want to make sure that you have your child's car tag ready to go. Make sure that you don't set it in the window. It makes sense to do that, but we have had a few of these over the years that have slipped down inside the door, and we don't want that to happen to anyone else. The way that we'd like you to do it is if you can just hold it up here in the front so that we can see it. The other way that is easy to do is if you have a hanger for pants at home, you can hang it like this, and it hangs right on the rear view mirror. That way we can see it and know which child needs to come out next. Hopefully we'll get you on your way to whatever you have coming next. We wanted to show you how our car lines will work. So we have in the back of the church, we have our orange cones set out each day, and you can see the 2 doors that go into the church. You can see the first one is under the sign here, and the second one is by the playground. When we come out, we'll come to the car. Each of you will have your own name tag that's color-coded by age so that we can see whose car is next at pickup time, and we'll give you those and you can hang them. The best way is on a hanger from your rear view mirror. That way we can see them from the front. When parents drop off, make sure to wear your mask, but our little ones don't. Here's Miss Kim and Miss Jennifer from the 5s and 4s class. We'll also have in the outside line our 2-year-olds with Miss Jen. You can see her tag hanging just like yours will be. And on the inside line will be our 4-year-old class and our 3-year-old class. And we have Miss Nicole here with our 3-year-old class. She's ready. After that, we have Miss Tammy. And behind that, we have Miss Sally with our 4-year-old class. So you can see it's a very quick process when we come out in the morning and bring the boys and girls in, and at the end of the day when we bring them out. Can't wait to see you.